In front of us we have question 1, fourth part of exercise 3.5. Which of the following pairs of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So what are the equations? Equations are x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we will find the value a1. What is a1? a1 is 1, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 7. Now a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3, and c2 is minus 15. Now we will check the ratios. a1 by a2, 1 by 3, b1 by b2, minus 3 upon minus 3, that is 1. So from here you can see that since a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, so the equation, therefore the linear pair equation has a unique solution. In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So we have to use cross multiplication method. For cross multiplication method, you can see my previous videos. I am directly writing here what is x, y, 1. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 7, minus 15, minus 7, minus 15, 1, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, minus 3. Multiply in this direction. X upon minus 3 minus 15 is 75, minus 7 multiply minus 3 is 21, plus 21. Y, 7 3 is 21, minus 21, minus 1 multiply minus 15 is minus 15. Minus 3, 1 multiply minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 multiply 3 is minus 9. So here we can write it as x divided by 75 minus 21, 45. This is 45. 45 minus 21 is 24. Minus 21 plus 15 is 6. 1 upon minus 3 plus 9 is 6. Now we will find the value of x and y. X by 24 equals to 1 by 6 and y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So x is equal to 24 by 6. X is equal to 4. And the same way, y equals to minus 6 divided by 6, that is minus 1. So y value is minus 1. Hence the solution, hence the required solution is x equal to 4 and y equals to minus 1. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.